Welcome, beloved. You've entered a sacred space. This is your time to return to peace, to safety, to stillness. Take a long breath in and exhale gently through your mouth. Let your body begin to melt like wax under a soft flame. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. With each breath, you soften. With each breath, you come home. There's nowhere to go now, nothing to do but rest and be held. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm golden light, soft like honey, melting into your scalp, soothing your temples, releasing your jaw. Your tongue relaxes in your mouth. This golden light moves down into your neck, across your shoulders, melting the armor you've worn all day. Let your shoulders drop. Your arms grow heavy, your hands open. Now the light spreads into your chest, softening your heart, expanding your breath. There is nothing you need to hold right now. Let it go. Feel your belly soften. Let your hips open and sink. Feel your legs heavy and warm. Your feet relaxed and free. Your whole body is glowing with golden light. You are relaxed, safe, held. Now imagine you're floating weightless in a vast cosmic ocean lit by stars. You are suspended in velvet darkness, wrapped in warmth, cradled in safety. This is the womb of the cosmos. There is no gravity here, no time, no expectations. You're being held by something ancient, loving, and all-knowing. The Divine Mother is here, not outside of you, but within you. around you, everywhere. She knows your pain, your joy, your longing, and she holds you now like you were always meant to be held. Let yourself flow. Let yourself be rocked like a child in her arms. Whisper softly in your mind, I am safe. I am held. I am home. Feel those words land deep into your heart, deep into your cells. You are home. You are home. You are home. Now, as your breath grows slower and your body rests deeper, your subconscious begins to open, soft, receptive, ready. Let these affirmations drift in like a gentle whisper. No need to repeat them, just receive them. It is safe to rest. My body remembers how to heal. I release what no longer serves me. My nervous system softens in the arms of love. I am enough. I am whole. It is safe to let go. I am deeply and unconditionally loved. Let the Divine Mother energy bathe your cells, your bones, your breath. Let her clear out what's heavy. Let her pour peace into every corner of your being. You are being rewoven, restitched, with light held in divine hands. Nothing is broken. Nothing is wrong. You are simply remembering. Sleep is your temple now. Healing is your breath. There's nothing left to do. Let go even more. Let your thoughts drift like clouds. Let your body feel like the ocean. Soft waves. No resistance. You are being rocked by the breath of the universe, cradled by the Mother of Stars, held by something greater, deeper, and softer than words. Feel yourself floating, drifting, disappearing into stillness. Let these final words wrap around you. I am allowed to rest. I surrender to love. Sleep welcomes me now. Let everything dissolve. Let the words fade. Let the music carry you gently into sleep. You are safe. You are free. You are home.